Hello everyone, this is Sudipta from Technical Potpourri and welcome to my new video on n8n. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily connect Salesforce with n8n, and on every Salesforce case record creation, you're going to do a case sentiment analysis, and based on the result, you are going to send either a happy email or an unhappy email or a not sure email. So let's build this use case to demonstrate how to integrate Salesforce with n8n and take the power of OpenAI to do further analysis beyond Salesforce platform. So let's understand the use case before we start implementing. The use case is my user submits a case to the Salesforce, and the moment the case is created in Salesforce, it will trigger an automation in n8n. And what that automation will do, or what n8n will do, it will send few attributes from the case record to OpenAI for the sentiment analysis. Now, what is sentiment analysis? It's all about from those attributes of the case record, OpenAI will tell me what the case is all about. Is it my customer is very happy, or my customer is not happy, or the information you provided to OpenAI is not enough to come to a conclusion about happy or not happy? So basically, it will do a sentiment analysis, and based on that, there are three emails which will be sent, either a happy email or an unhappy email or a not sure email. So basically, the intention is the moment a case is getting created, it will pass information to n8n for a sentiment analysis, and then based on the output, you can take actions based on your business need. Okay, so let's build this automation in n8n workflow. So here I am in my n8n workflow. The first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this plus sign, and in the search node, I'm going to type Salesforce. And here my automation will be triggered based on case creation. So here I'm going to select my authenticated Salesforce account, and I'm telling like every minute it's going to poll Salesforce to find out whether there is a new case being created or not. So let's click on fetch test event, and here is a case that is being fetched. So let's spin the data. The first node is configured. Now here on the plus sign, I'm going to type Salesforce again, and here I'm going to type get a case, and it's going to fetch all the attributes from the case record. For that, everything looks good. It's a get operation, and the case ID, I'm going to fetch the ID from here to pass here and click on test step. So it's fetched all the attributes from the case record. So far, so good. With this information being fetched, here I'm going to add my AI agent. So here in the AI agent, I'm going to create my prompt. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to define my own prompt. For that, I need to pass three information to my model. The first thing is like the case subject, which is from here. If I go, this is the case subject. Looks good. Next, I'm going to pass the case description, which is going to be from here. And last one is the case ID, which I'm going to pass from here. With all this information passed, I'm going to put the system message for my model. So let's make it big, and my system message is going to be, your task is to find out whether the customer is happy or not from the above case attributes. If the customer is happy, then return happy. Let's copy this part, paste it here. If the customer is not happy, then return unhappy. And if the past information is not sufficient to determine whether the customer is happy or not, then return not sure. At the same time, let's please make sure to return one of these values, which is happy, unhappy, not sure. Okay, with this prompt written, and here let's build the chat model. Here you have all the options, but for me, I'm going to choose for OpenAI. I already have my OpenAI account connected, and here is this is the model that I'm going to choose, GPT-4o, which should be good enough. With that, if I click on test step, I'm getting the output as not sure. So here I'm going to click on switch, because this node is going to return me three values. The first value is this one, equals to happy. Let's rename the output also happy. Let's create the third option, third route, where it's actually unhappy. Let's copy that, rename it unhappy. And let's the third one is not sure. And let's rename it to not sure. Let's test the step, and output is not sure. With that, my intention is to send out an email with a few case information. So let's click on not sure, and in search node, let's ping Gmail, and here send a message. I choose the Gmail account. Now here I have a dedicated video where I've shown you how you can connect your Google account with your n8n. There is a slightly process change recently being introduced, so I highly recommend that you watch that video and make your Google account connected to n8n, because that is needed in this step. So I'll assume that you have already watched that video, and let's come to here and click on Gmail account. It's going to send that email, and let's send that email to me, to my email address, and subject is customer is. From the expression, I'm going to choose customer is this one, and here it's text, and here from the expression I am going to choose few information, which is case number, and case number is this. Perfect. Sorry. And then case subject is, where is the case subject? It should be a case subject is this, and then case description is this. Okay, so that's my node. So let's duplicate this one and put it for unhappy path. Again, let's duplicate again and put it for happy path. Okay, so let's save that, and now let's test that workflow. And this node has been executed. So let's go back to my Gmail account, and I've received an email. Customer is not sure. This is the subject. Okay. So now let's go back to my Salesforce, and let's create a case with a happy path. I am very impressed with the service. n8n is a great tool, and I am very much impressed with the automation capabilities. So let's click on save. Before clicking on save, what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark this workflow as active and then click on execution. And now let's go back to Salesforce and save this case record. Now, if I come back to my n8n workflow, what it will do, this workflow is currently active. So it means in 1 minute, it's going to poll Salesforce and find out if there is a new case being created or not. So let's wait for 1 minute and see whether it's really getting triggered or not. Okay, so since my workflow is triggered, so now if I open this one, I can see the happy path is executed. So let's go back to my Gmail account, and okay, the customer is happy, because from this subject and description, OpenAI was successfully able to identify whether the customer is happy or not. So this is the way how you can integrate your Salesforce with your n8n account, and based on a case creation, you can do a sentiment analysis from the case record. So if you like this video, please hit the like icon, please share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, and please subscribe to my channel. So in future, when I'll be publishing more videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.